It's Buick Saturday again. I'm hoping this is the last blocking. Put the guide coat on, and I was going to use wet 400, and I decided to go with dry 320 just to see where I'm at. But hopefully this will be near the last blocking. Hopeful. We're going to find out. I better get after it. Okay, it got pretty windy out here, but anyway, I wanted to show you a couple things. Right there, I don't know if you can see it, a bug landed on there, a little gnat. And he squirmed and wiggled around until he got down, looks like maybe to the sealer coat, so I got to deal with that. Other than that, this is looking really good. I just spent about 10 minutes, and all the guide coat is pretty much gone over this area. Even at that edge where I put that little bit of glazing putty, that's all gone. So I'm going to keep going. Well, I'm just about halfway done. It's looking really good and smooth. I don't know if the audio will be any good. I did find one little low spot right there that I missed in the last blocking, but that's why you do it. Other than that, it's looking really good. The large flat areas are easy. They take about 10 minutes. The rest of it takes hours. You know how that goes. But it's coming along. Well, looking pretty good. I broke through a little area there. So I hit that with some sealer. A little thin right there too. Along this edge, I got a little carried away. And one spot there. Other than that, she's down to 320, and it looks good. No low spots, except for those ones in the front. There's a tiny one right there. There's one there. I'm going to hit that with some more sandable primer as soon as that epoxy sealer is dry, which will be another 45 minutes. It feels like rain, but nothing in the forecast, so hopefully I can get this primer on before it starts sprinkling. But we're getting there. Well, I hope that's the last spot primer surfacer I got to put on. I did all the light spots, and I had a couple areas here that were a little bit low, and I gave them a triple coat. 10 minutes in between coats. So I think the next blocking will be with 400 wet, and that should be it. Should be ready for base coat. Looking good.